Hi everyone, Mayong Adlaw. So today we are going to discuss og versus ug. What's the difference? Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Judy and I am here to teach you how to speak conversational Cebuano. Right. So these two are very common in constructing Bisaya sentences. So we need to differentiate these two in order for us to be more effective in relaying our message to the locals. But to be honest, when we write the OG, and the UG, we usually use in spelling, we usually use the UG, even if we mean OG. So we are sort of not so strict in terms of the spelling. So what's the difference? Now let's move to our slide. Okay, og, is used as conjunction of adjective and noun if the end word shows or talks about the parts of the body, traits, attitude, behavior of a person or people, and animals. Okay, another difference is it is an indefinite article translated as a or an in the English language, and sometimes it can be an objective article. Okay, so these three I will give some explanation in the succeeding slide. Now let's move forward to the UG og. UG is the and. So its equivalent is the and connector in the English language. So those are the differences, guys. So if it's and, it's just UG. But OG, let's discuss more of this as this is kind of a bit complicated. The more you are exposed to our language, the more you practice, it will come to you as a normal thing. Okay, now let's go to OG used as a conjunction. As always, I'm gonna give you some examples for easy reference on how to use this OG. So we have the first example here as ngilad og batasan. So ngilad is actually bad. Sometimes some locals would use bate. Okay, bate or ngilad, those are just the same. It means bad, okay, undesirable. And then batasan is attitude or behavior. So you can see here, um, it connects the adjective, right? So to the traits of a person, bati og batasan, bad attitude. Okay, another example is guapa unta pero baho og baba. Okay, this is quite long, so let me break this down. Guapa is beautiful. Unta, okay, unta is such a shame or supposedly or may something happen or would like to. In this case, the meaning of unta in this phrase is such a shame. Okay, guapa unta pero is but, and then baho ug ba, so bad breath. Baho is bad. The smell is not good. Okay, that's bad. And then the ba there, it means the breath of a person. Baho ug ba is bad breath. Okay. Next, another example we have nindot ug lawas. Nindot is good, nice, desirable, um, beautiful. Okay, and then lawas is body. But when somebody say nindot ug lawas, it means it's sexy. The person is sexy or the person is fit. Okay, and sometimes when you say nindot ug lawas, it also can be translated as good. The person has good sex appeal. Okay, you find the person sexy and attractive. Okay, nindot ug lawas. Next, we have mobo og buhok. Okay, it means short hair. Mobo is short, and then buhok is hair. So you can already see here on how to use the og, guys, okay, as a conjunction to the adjective or the noun. If the N word is talking about the parts of the body, the traits, the attitude, the behavior of a person, or sometimes animals. Okay, another example we have here. This is sort of an expression. Sekreto og labok. Sekreto is from the from the word English word secret. Okay, sekreto. Okay, we have that. And then labok is ability to fight. When you say labok, it's usually used in the cockfighting or the rooster fighting. Um, labok is actually the how the rooster flap its wings if it's good, its ability to fight the other rooster. But when you say secreto glabok, the thought here is the person is very secretive and has certain behavior or attitude, usually not desirable. Okay, let's go to og as indefinite article. It's translated as a or an in English language. Okay, well, examples here is nangita ug uyab. Okay, nangita is looking, uyab is girlfriend. Okay, nangita is actually looking for. Okay, and then the ug there is the a. Okay, nangita ug uyab, looking for a girlfriend. Another example is gagunit og payong, holding an umbrella. Okay, gagunit is holding, and then payong is umbrella. Okay, another one we have si Judy gasulat og love letter. Judy is writing a love letter. Okay, so gasulat is writing, and then we know what is love letter. Okay, if you have a wife or a girlfriend or somebody you're attracted to or you're planning to court a woman, don't forget to write her a love letter. It's better than texting her or messaging her in private via Facebook or Twitter. It's love. The old school still is quite effective, especially nowadays. All right, next, let's go to OG. It's used as objective article. Okay, when you say objective, you have a goal. Okay, there is a goal that you need to do. So examples we have mo palit ko og pandesal. I will buy salt bread. Okay, mo palit ko pandesal. I will buy pandesal. Okay, the English word for pandesal is actually salt bread. Okay, mo palit is will buy. Ko is I. You're referring to yourself, and then pandesal is salt bread. You can just say I will buy pandesal. Okay. All right. So here mo palit ko, and then you must add og there, and then you add what do you want to buy. You add the pandesal. You add whatever you want to buy. Okay. Mo palit ko, and then you add og, and then the thing that you want to buy. So that's your objective. You will buy pandesal. Next, another one is dili ko mokaon og baboy. I don't eat pork. Dili means don't. Ko is I. Mokaon is eat. Og, and then baboy. Baboy is pork. Okay? So usually the mo is used in future tense when you're stating facts. Okay? Not in mag. Usually it's mo. Okay, so dili ko mukaon, dili ko musayaw, dili ko mo hapit, or muhapit means pass by. Okay, so next we have nibarog og kalit. Nibarog og kalit means stands immediately. Nibarog is stands, and then kalit is immediately or suddenly. Okay, another one, oh yeah, next is UG og. It means and in the English language. So we have examples here. This is quite easy, it's just and. So ikaw gako, you and I. Ikaw is you, and then og is and, ako is I. Musayaw ko og mukanta. So, Musaya kog mukanta, it's actually a statement of facts. At the same time, it could also be an answer to a question like, what are you gonna do? Uh, what will be your talent? Like that. So, you will use the future form, musayaw ko og mukanta. So, musayaw ko og mukanta is I will dance and sing. Or you can say I dance and sing. Okay, musayaw is will dance, ko is I, og is dance, and then mukanta is sing. Next, we have ang maestra og estudyante, the teacher and student. Okay, ang is the, maestra is teacher, og is and estudyante is student. All right, so those are the difference between the two, og and ug. Okay, so in the spelling in Bisaya, we are very forgiving as long as it sounds ug. Most of us really don't care the spelling og or ug, and a lot of us doesn't really know the difference. Okay, try asking some of your Bisaya friends and let's see if they can answer you what's the difference. Okay, so that's all for now, guys. So next in the upcoming weeks, okay, I'll be talking about the verbs. Yeah, that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for being with me today. If you are very new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to see more of my lessons in the future. Don't forget to click the notification bell button. All right, so like this video, you can really help me in maintaining my site through liking and subscribing. So thank you so much in advance for your support. Bye bye, and see you in the next video.